A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, ant, B, ball, C, cake, D, duck, E, I, F, frog, G, girl, H, hand, I, ink, J, juice, K, T, L, lion, M, moon, pen, nose, O, owl, P, pen, Q, queen, R, rain, S, sun, T, tiger, U, uncle, V, van, W, water, X, box, Y, yo-yo, Z, zebra.
A is for apple, red, sweet, and round. B is for ball. Let's bounce it on the ground. C is for cat, with a soft, gentle purr. D is for dog, covered in fluffy fur. E is for elephant, big, gray, and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, with a neck so very tall. H is for house, a home for us all. I is for ice cream, a cold and yummy treat. J is for juice, so refreshing and sweet. K is for kite, flying high in the blue sky. L is for lion, hear its mighty cry. M is for moon, shining brightly at night. N is for nest, where birdies sleep so tight. O is for octopus, with 8 arms in the sea. P is for pig, as happy as can be. Q is for queen, with a beautiful, shiny crown. R is for rainbow, all over the town. S is for sun, that warms us with its light. T is for turtle, slow but ever so bright. U is for umbrella, to keep us dry from rain. V is for violin, a beautiful, sweet strain. W is for whale, the biggest friend we know. X is for xylophone, watch the colors glow. Y is for yo-yo, that goes up and down the string. Z is for zebra. What a wonderful thing. Now you know your letters, from A all through to Z. Let's sing them all together. You and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, everyone! Thanks for singing along. See you next time.